In the world of premium cigars, some creations are simply legendary. They aren't just smoked, they are experienced. They push boundaries, challenge conventions, and redefine what is possible with tobacco. Today, we journey into the heart of one such legend, the Camacho Triple Maduro. This isn't just a cigar, it's a statement, a bold declaration of flavor and craftsmanship born from a spirit of fearless innovation. Imagine a cigar so audacious it uses Maduro leaves, not just for the wrapper, but for the binder and the filler as well. This was the challenge Camacho set for itself. For years, experts said it couldn't be done. A triple Maduro blend was thought to be too difficult to construct, too overpowering to balance. But Camacho, driven by its live loud ethos, refused to accept limitations. They ventured where others dared not, pioneering a technique that would forever change the landscape of full-bodied cigars. The journey of the Triple Maduro begins under the rich, sun-drenched soils of Honduras and Mexico. Here, the finest tobaccos are cultivated, destined for a special transformation. The wrapper, a dark, oily San Andres Maduro from Mexico, is the first layer of intrigue. This leaf is renowned for its inherent sweetness and complex, earthy notes. It's a wrapper that promises depth and character before the flame even touches the foot. It's selected with an expert eye, ensuring not just a beautiful, uniform appearance, but also the perfect texture and oil content to deliver a rich, satisfying smoke. Beneath this exquisite wrapper lies the heart of the beast. A binder and filler blend composed entirely of authentic Camacho Maduro tobaccos from Honduras. This is where the magic truly happens. Crafting a binder and filler from Maduro leaves is an art form. These leaves are thicker, oilier, and require masterful handling to ensure an even burn and a perfect draw. Camacho's torcedores, with generations of experience passed down through their hands, meticulously bunch and roll each cigar, turning a seemingly impossible concept into a tangible masterpiece of construction. Each puff is a testament to their skill and dedication. So, what is the experience of lighting up a Camacho Triple Maduro? It begins with an immediate, powerful blast of flavor. This is not a cigar for the faint of heart. From the very first draw, your palate is greeted with a complex symphony of dark chocolate, roasted espresso, and a distinct black pepper spice that tingles on the tongue. It's an opening that commands your full attention, setting the stage for the journey ahead. The smoke is thick, chewy, and aromatic, filling the air with a rich, sweet scent that is as captivating as the taste itself. As the smoke progresses into the second, third, the initial intensity mellows slightly, allowing more nuanced flavors to emerge. The dominant notes of dark chocolate and coffee remain, but they are now joined by subtle undertones of sweet molasses, rich earth, and a hint of dried fruit. The pepper spice softens, integrating seamlessly into the background, creating a beautifully balanced yet profoundly complex profile. This is the moment you truly appreciate the genius of the blend. The way the different Maduro leaves interact, the sweetness of the San Andres wrapper complementing the robust earthiness of the Honduran Cories, nothing short of spectacular. It's a full-bodied experience, yet it remains incredibly smooth and refined. Reaching the final third, the Triple Maduro delivers its grand finale. The strength intensifies once more, but without any harshness. The flavors deepen, becoming richer and more concentrated. Notes of leather and dark roasted nuts join the chorus, and a lingering sweetness, reminiscent of dark honey, coats the palate. It's a powerful, satisfying, and incredibly memorable conclusion to a one-of-a-kind smoking experience. The construction holds firm, the burn remains razor-sharp, and the draw is effortless to the very end hallmarks of a truly well-made cigar. The Camacho Triple Maduro is more than just tobacco. It's a testament to the power of bold ideas and uncompromising quality. It's a cigar that honors tradition while simultaneously shattering it. It represents the pinnacle of Maduro craftsmanship, a monument to flavor built by the hands of masters. For those who seek a full-flavored, complex, and unforgettable smoke, the Camacho Triple Maduro stands alone, a true icon in the world of cigars, forever embodying the art of tobacco perfection.